big power and utility companies based in the Americas, where we're doing quite a significant amount of work. And it started about just over a year ago with this customer. They wanted us to help set up an automation program to service the broader organization. And we initially kicked off by standing up a center of excellence within the innovation center. We generated a whole bunch of demands. We went into different business functions, specifically the front office, which is slightly different from where most programs start, which is very back office centric. So this is very much around customer support, revenue recognition, billing, very much the front office side. Identified over 80 opportunities in the first wave of assessment, started putting that into development and prioritization funnels, and then kicked off the execution. Fast forward 12 months down the line, we have a whole number of those automations now fully in production. We're generating a significant amount of savings for the client, both in service and customer delivery, revenue, and cost savings across the spectrum within those areas. We've developed some virtual agents to support that, so it's not just RPA, so it's extended beyond RPA to include OCR and character recognition stuff, as well as the virtual agent stuff to interact and transfer. And one of the nice ones I really like about that use case of the client is we have some totally autonomous automation working with end user customers. So customers can literally connect into it through the virtual agents, and the automation can do self-service processing of certain transaction types. And that is normally quite an advanced activity. And here is a wonderful client using automation anywhere's platform, delivering that kind of solution to the client within the first 12 months from a standing start. They're now developing the roadmap for years 2 and 3, which looks even bigger, bolder, and more adventurous. So I'm really excited about how we're going to continue that journey with them.
Thank you for visiting the Automation Anywhere YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build your own digital workforce with our automation success platform. Get your free demo today at automationanywhere.com.